everybody, welcome to on Mathmax tutorial. Today we have seen example on integration like JEE Main questions. Okay, today example is integration cos in bracket 2 cot inverse under root 1 minus x divide 1 plus x bracket complete dx. Okay, to get the simple solution, to watch video till at the end. Okay, let's do start. Let first taken as I is equal to integration cos under bracket 2 cot inverse under root 1 minus x divide 1 plus x bracket complete dx. Okay, here we observe which method is best suitable for this example. First we put the substitution method. Okay, put here x is equal to cos 2 theta, then this get differentiate becomes differentiate with respect to theta, we get the dx is equal to minus sine 2 theta, and 2 theta derivative is 2 d theta. Okay, then equation becomes as we can write the simplification form cos in bracket 2 cot inverse, okay, under root 1 minus x, that means cos 2 theta, and 1 plus cos 2 theta, and then the minus 2 sine 2 theta and bracket complete here d theta. Okay, then simplification we can write this minus 2 get outside. Okay, minus 2 get outside here, cos, then 2 times cot inverse, and here we know that the related formula for the 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to what? 2 sine square theta, and 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to, we know that, 2 cos square theta. Yes, okay, then equation becomes as we can write here 2 sine square theta divided by 2 cos square theta, then these are the minus sign, minus sine 2 theta bracket complete d theta. Yes, okay, here already minus sign taken outside, that's mean only sine 2 theta we can write. Okay, then simplification term becomes as minus 2 integration cos in bracket 2 times cot inverse, then under root this 2 to get cancelled, sine square theta divide cos square theta, that means this is tan square theta into sine 2 theta bracket complete d theta. Okay, now simplification process we can write as 2 cot inverse into tan theta into tan 2 theta and d theta. Okay, we know that the allied angle formula tan theta is equal to cot pi by 2 minus theta. Yes, okay, we can replace here, then minus 2 integration cos 2 times cot inverse, and we can write here cot pi by 2 minus theta, these are the aligned angle formula, into sine 2 theta and d theta. Okay, then we know that the property related of inverse function, here cot inverse cot x is equal to, we can write only x. Okay, that's mean this term we can here only write pi by 2 minus theta. Okay, then this equation becomes I is equal to minus 2 integration cos 2 times pi by 2 minus theta. Yes, okay, and bracket complete into sine 2 theta and d theta. Okay, then we can write the simplification process as you understand up to this step, then becomes equation I is equal to minus 2 integration this 2 to get cancelled, that's mean we get the cos pi minus 2 theta into sine 2 theta d theta. Okay, then cos pi minus theta is equal to minus cos theta, we know that these are the allied angle formula, then minus 2 integration we get the cos minus 2 theta, then sine 2 theta and d theta. Okay, then minus we get the plus 2, then here cos 2 theta into sine 2 theta d theta. Okay, we know that the other formula sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta into cos 2 theta. Okay, here we want to here already to have, okay, then this equation can be written as sin 4 theta as equal to 2 sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta. Okay, then we get the sin 4 theta. Therefore we can write here integration sin 4 theta d theta. Then now simplification term becomes as, here we can write integration of sin 4 theta, these are the sin theta, derivative of sin theta, is equal to cos theta, then derivative of cos theta is equal to minus sin theta, then integration of sin theta we get the minus cos theta. That means here we can write minus cos 4 theta divided by 4 and the plus is the constant. Okay, we know that cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Okay, we want cos 4 theta related formula, then cos 2 into 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square 2 theta minus 1. Okay, then we can write as a related formula cos 4 theta is equal to 2 cos square 2 theta minus 1. Then we can replace here the minus 2 cos square 2 theta minus 1 and divided by 4 and the plus is the constant. Okay, here back put x is equal to, we know that cos 2 theta. Okay, yes, then simplification term becomes as minus 2, this is cos 2 theta square, that means this term becomes as square, that means we can write here 2x square minus 1 and divided by 4 and plus is the constant. Okay, then final solution we get minus 2 by 4 x square minus plus get and 1 by 4 and plus is the constant of integration, and there we get the final solution I is equal to minus 1 by 2 x square plus 1 by 4 and plus is the constant of integration. Yes, okay. If you like this video, then please share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Yes.